Okay, hello, my name is Polina Pokhodyaeva, and today I will do the lab 3.6.6. It's parse different data types with Python. So today we will parse XML, JSON, and YAML in Python. Okay, what is like the parsing? It's when the computer breaking into its component parts to understanding the purpose of each part in context. So when messages are transmitted between computers, they travel as a stream of characters, like uh, the long string. So yeah, it's effectively a string. Message needs to be parsed into a semantically equivalent data structure containing data of recognized types before the data can be interpreted and acted upon. So in this lab, we will use Python to parse each data format in turn XML, JSON, and YAML, and we walk through code examples and talk about how each parses work. Okay, I already launched my virtual machine, so let's move on to the part two. Uh, we need to speak about XML the firstly. So XML flexibility of formats, so that's why it's can be tricky to parse. So in XML, all it's like text with tags, and it's not understandable at all how we can like I don't know how to say it, reconstruct to like how can we um, create it in numbers or another types of data in Python. So attributes in XML also make some difficulties by when we recreate it. So uh, the Tisco developers working in some contexts because Tisco has provided tools such as YAML. Oh, okay. Good to know. Below in content of the my file XML file found in the parsing. This is an example of sort of file. Okay, let's see. In parsing. Oh, my file made. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's nice. We will parse this file in Python to get access to the information, the contents. Okay. So, step one, build a script to parse the XML data. Open the parse XML file. Okay. Mm, yes, import the element tree for so ET is element tree, like the shortest one, and RE it is regular expressions. Next, use the parse function from AT to parse the file in the line. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, uh, here with the parse is like read this file, read my file XML and get root. So find the main root in XML structure. Okay, so we need to find tag edit config, and inside it tag the default operation at test option. So we need to create a regular expression to get the contents of the XML root. Okay, we need, yeah. Okay, we define here create a regular expression. copy, paste. Okay, define the regular expression and use it here just to find this text. Okay, and print statements, to print the value. All right. So we expect to see that default operation contains something, and test option contains something, just words. So, okay, Control S, save it, and let's go to the terminal. Okay, oh, we need to go. We need to go to our directory. So by cd devnet, then pressing. Yeah, and okay, Python. We just run the code parse. Yeah, parse XML.py. Yeah, we have the merge and the set. So all right. So okay, we just here grab the text from the tag and just add it here, so then we can see this output. That's how I understand it. So ns get the space of names from the root tag, and then we find the tag edit config default operation test option. So just by adding some spaces with the names before each other. Okay. Then that's all. So we parsed. Yes, we parsed XML in Python. Okay. Let's go to the part 3. Parse JSON. So parse JSON in Python. So parse in JavaScript object notation. So JSON in a frequent requirement of interacting with REST APIs. That the steps are usually as follows. Okay, so JSON is really popular format. Okay, the first step is we go like authenticate using user password combination and retrieve the token. Then we request our server. So just we want to we need to get the answer in JSON format. Then we can change it, return JSON as needed, and modify. And then we like send the changing data back to the server and check if it's all successful. Okay, this is the JSON example to parse in this response from a token request. Okay. In Python scripts, the Python JSON library can be used to parse JSON into Python native data structures and serialize data structures back out as JSON. So the JSON library converts JSON into a dictionary, dictionary, and YAML library can convert it again, convert the data to YAML. That's obvious, yes. So we need to create the program that reads JSON. and then convert it to YAML by dump function. Okay, let's do it. Open the parse JSON.py. I think we don't need this one. Well, okay, parse JSON. Import JSON YAML libraries. Okay. So the Python with statement. When we use like this with open as JSON files, so we uh, don't need to close the file because this function is already coded. Okay. So it is doing it automatically. Why? What's what? Do something wrong? Why? Okay. I can do it by myself. Open uh, my file. My file.json error is okay. It's all right. Here, okay. And add a print statement. Oh, or so here we can see that JSON is converted to the dictionary, like no, like a dictionary, Python dictionary. So it's now let's print it. Yes, sorry. I think it's need to be but yeah. Yeah, so it's dictionary. That's right. That's what we see. And then add print statement that displays the token value and how many seconds until the token print. So all print functions. Okay, we mhm, uh, I don't know how to say it right in English, so we just no, it's called the dictionary. I don't know. Like ask the dictionary by keys, access token, and expires in to get the needed um, variables. Not variables, like needed values. So when we run it, oh no, let's see. So yeah, I do the token and the sequence. So here, that's all right. And then output parse JSON data in a YAML data format. Okay. We need to convert dictionary Python to YAML format and print it. Okay. I think we need to. I don't really understand if I do it right, so I need to just add add also a print statement like this. So in by dump function, the dump method of the YAML library, we convert it to YAML, and that's all. So let's see. Yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, so it's now the YAML format, so it looks more easier to understand without quotes, without like brackets. And it's like the key and value only. So we can see the difference between it. So right, we convert it to YAML. That's all nice. Okay, then the part four, the last part, and when we need to parse YAML in Python. So we need to do the another way. So we read YAML and convert it to JSON. So we need to use the safe load method uh, by the YAML library to parse the file stream and normal Python data reference to extract value from the resulting Python data structure. And then use the JSON library dumps function to serialize the Python data back out and JSON. Okay, the YAML example to parse is the same YAML file you outputted in part 3. So we can see it, and here it says that, oh yeah, let's have the same print. So that's nice. Okay, let's go to parse YAML file. Uh, import the JSON and YAML library. The the code it's like the same. So we also use with open, but like different methods. But the structure it's pretty not simple. Just yeah. So we open this file YAML, this YAML file, our YAML, safe load. So this our method, YAML safe load method to load the YAML. Okay, and then print. I hate my English. I can input, but I can't output. Okay, so save and then oh well, can I just clear? Okay. And let's print it. Okay, that's all right. So we see our output. So it's like the dictionary Python when we read the JSON file. So that's all. It's nice. And we want to print statement that displays token value. Just like this, the same. Really, it's not a little difference between this and this file, as you can see. So just a little bit different methods, but all it's the same. Okay, don't need it. Okay, now access the token and seconds. That's all nice. Mm, yeah. And step three, output the parsed YAML data in a JSON data format. So, okay, here it's the dumps method that convert dictionary to JSON, and I indent indent equal 4. It's like the spaces for just to be beautiful. Okay, let's see. Save and run. Yes. Uh, we can see this file, and it is like the same. It looks just like my file JSON. We can see it. Yeah, it looks the same. Where? So yeah. So if it looks the same, so we do all things right. We convert JSON, YAML data in a JSON data format, so all is okay. Uh, so these labs, we learn here just to work with the three popular formats, XML, JSON, YAML. So we learned how to get the data and convert it from the one format to another format. So that's all, I think. The lab was good. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.